swerving, twisting raw. Shit, there go the law. Shit, what you do? I hear the corner, got too much to risk it all. Bumping 40, that slap hard. Do say smooth.
What's up, fam? It's your boy, Vegas G35. Oh, I'm finna break my camera back in the hunt. Another day, another vlog. I think I'm gonna go through with it today and peel off my dip. Go back to my stock color. Cause yeah, trying to keep up with this black is starting to disgust me. I ain't got no special tools, just my two hands, so let's see how this goes. Switch over to the GoPro. I guess I'm gonna just pick a panel and get started. There we go. Alright, so that's panel one. She still look good. Maybe give her a wash. Get these edges. Two-tone. I'm sorry, y'all. I know this vlog went to shit real fast, and I left out a whole lot of shit because this bitch had me mad. I was frustrated. Some of this shit wasn't coming off, but here we are, final product. Now you can see all my flaws, well, not all of them. I left the plasti dip on the hood. But yeah, this is as far as I'm gonna take this one. I got fucking blisters and shit on my hands. I'm gonna record with both cameras. I got blisters and shit on my, my hands. That shit was like peeling off a sticker all day. Took a little bit longer than what I wanted it to, but finally fucking done. I'm actually kind of liking it two-tone. I'm digging it.